Hi, so I'm going to demonstrate how to put one of these beautiful Treasury panel cards together. So I've got this beautiful sort of diamond shaped panel card. So it has these scores in. So when you fold all the scores in, you get kind of this effect. Or obviously it will go flat. So just got a panel to put in the back piece in this lovely lavender colour, and this collection comes with the beautiful decoupage wildflowers. So I'll pop that piece in there. Then we've got this lovely lacy panel that fits on here. And this has been die cut, and the pieces have been left in and then embossed and glittered. So we've got another piece that goes on here. Will go like that. These 4 pieces that fit in to this section, or you can use them as corners just on an ordinary card. A little bit like a jigsaw puzzle. Let's work it out. Yep, that's right, that one. And these have all been glittered. It makes that lace really pop and stand out. Final one on there. And one corner piece there. And then I've got this beautiful decoupage flower. And I am going to put this just oops. And that is the final card.